sa ating 65th Annual Fiesta Salinas Association. Maraming salamat po. As my term as President of the Salinas Association comes to an end, I am filled with deep gratitude and pride. Serving this community has been both an honor and humbling experience. Together, we have celebrated our culture and strengthened the bonds that make our community feel like family.
Salinas, sa aming pista ng pinapahan. Salinas, sa mga awitan at sayaw. Salinas, sa mga palaro at kasiyahan. Salinas, dito'y di ka mauubusan. Salinas, sa aming pagdiriwang. Halina't makisaya. Salinas.
From our gatherings and fundraisers to the simple moments of connection, each step has reminded me of the resilience, generosity, and the spirit that defines us as Filipinos. This role was never about one person. It has always been about all of us. I am incredibly thankful for our officers, volunteers, and every member who gave their time, effort, energy, and heart. You are the reason our association continues to thrive. Maraming salamat po.
Sa mga awitan at sayaw.
Congratulations sa inyo sa
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to introduce our incoming president for 2026-2027, Ms. Marisa Leoniso Engelberg. What a blessing to stand before you in this good afternoon and in this beautiful day. My first word is thank you, Mama Mary. Thank you for your protection, your love, and guidance. Pinaka namin at tunay naming ina.
Salinas, sa aming pista ng tinapahan. Salinas, sa mga awitan at sayaw. Salinas, sa mga palaro at kasiyahan. Salinas, dito'y di ka mauubusan. Salinas, sa aming pagdiriwang. Halina't makisaya. Salinas.
Officers and members, maraming salamat. I know it's really overwhelming that you guys are choosing me to lead you for the next fiesta. This organization thrives because of our commitment for keeping our Salinian spirit alive.
Happy Fiesta!
Kakaibang karanasan. Dito sa amin ay matatagpuan. Salinas, sa aming pista ng tinapahan. Salinas, sa mga awitan at sayawan. Salinas, sa mga palaro at kasiyahan. Salinas, dito'y di ka mauubusan.
Maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart. Your support means everything to me. I am inviting you all to come back and celebrate with us again for May 29 and 30, 2027. Mabuhay si Mama Mary. Mabuhay sa linya.
Mabuhay